Hi guys, this is Dave. So we've built up quite a following here on YouTube, and I'm just not actually sure that I've ever done a proper intro video about who I am, why I do what I do, and how I got started and stuff. So today's the day. So my name is Dave and I'm the founder of a company called Central Belfast Apartments. It's an Airbnb management company, and that means we work with property investors and other clients who want to make money from serviced accommodation but don't have the time or the expertise to do it. We're pretty good at what we do. We manage a portfolio of over 50 properties worth over £6 million. We've hosted tens and tens of thousands of guests. Our company is number one on TripAdvisor. We bring in about £30,000 or £40,000 per property per year for our clients. We've been shortlisted for loads of awards. We work with big tourism industry bodies, and we even managed to grow during the pandemic. So all the clients we speak to all have the same problems when they come to us. They're just a wee bit disillusioned. They've lost the buzz from property. They're fed up with the general hassle that comes along with property. They're losing money from void periods and repairs. And they're frustrated that they're just not getting the returns that they thought they were going to get from the start. And that's where we come in. They know they can get turbocharged income from their property by selling it per night instead of per month. We offer them a completely hassle-free service so that when they give us their property, they don't need to do anything for it. We're in cleaning it and maintaining it 2 or 3 times a week. And they just really get that buzz back that they had at the start. You know, when everyone starts in property, we all get that buzz, that butterflies in your tummy when you're getting that first property and you think you're going to be a millionaire in a few weeks or a few months time or a few properties time. Once you actually get started, you can get a wee bit jaded and just a bit frustrated, disillusioned, and you lose that buzz. Well, like, serviced accommodation is the way to actually realise those numbers that you thought you were going to be getting when you started out. So how I started the company was I'd been helping my mum and dad with their serviced accommodation properties way back when I was working in mental health. I had no plans to come into this full time. I would help them out when they were busy or when they were on holiday. And one thing I really loved was meeting the guests. So I would check them all in at the time, and I just loved seeing their enthusiasm and their excitement. People were on holiday. They'd often never been to Belfast before, and I was super passionate, still am, about this city. And I loved getting across that enthusiasm and that passion to them, and giving them all the cool places to go and things to do and see. And I got such a buzz back whenever I would meet them, because I used to do the cleaning as well. When I would meet them at checkout, and they'd been to all the places and they just had an amazing time, and they couldn't wait to get home and tell all their friends to come to Belfast. And that was just so exciting for me that I could share this secret place with them, and I just loved that. So very quickly my mission became to get Belfast known on the map, one of the hottest cities to visit. And so I started managing other people's properties. And in 2016, when I formed Central Belfast Apartments, I started with just 2 that I owned and the rest that were my mum and dad's. And very quickly we got our first client who I wasn't related to, and it just grew from there. And every time I just loved growing the business, seeing happy guests, great reviews coming in, and happy clients, because we do things right. We offer a really good experience for the guests. We put them first, really high levels of customer service, and that means we can charge higher rates. So my passion for Belfast very much translated into my passion and expertise to deliver awesome customer service and how to do serviced accommodation the right way. And over the years, I distilled this experience down into 5 fundamentals, 5 things that I know every serviced accommodation business needs to be successful, and without any of them, the whole thing will come crashing down. So as of this year, I'm now offering opportunities to share those fundamentals with people. I've written a book, which you can get on Amazon. You can click the link below. It's called the Serviced Accommodation 5-Star Fundamentals. I'm offering one-to-one strategy sessions where we can brainstorm and go through them all and work out exactly where you need to focus on and what you need to think about before you get started. And I'm also offering one-to-one coaching, which we go through the 5 fundamentals in order to make sure everything is just nailed on, watertight, so you know you can get a guaranteed profitable business when you start. And ultimately, that's what we all want. We all want the vision that we know whenever we get started that everything is going to just fall into place, work the way it's supposed to work. There's going to be no nasty surprises, and that's what we can do with the 5-star fundamentals. But at the same time, right from minute 1, once we get in contact, you're getting instant access to all my expertise, all my experience, complete clarity on any question you have. I've seen it all. I've been around the block more than a few times, and there's nothing that surprises me anymore. So click the link below, take our scorecard. It's a way to benchmark yourself against the 5-star fundamentals to see exactly where you are now and also where you need to be. So it shows your strengths that you've already got, but also identifies gaps and weaknesses that you need to work on. The scorecard takes 2 minutes, it's completely free, and you get a personalised report at the end of it. Once you've got that, book a strategy session and we can talk about the results. Remember, you can get that buzz back that you had at the start of your property investing journey. You can get that turbocharged income that you thought you were going to get, and the journey starts now. So click the link and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.